Welcome back. Okay, wait, I need.
Itani na muzindipe.
Ngachukua kana Venda.
Chona chimwe, ini niko na chimwe ngachigana.
Hi guys, welcome. Why ndisina?
Ngori no
You guys don't appreciate me.
No that late mamuna katimu.
Why ndisina chikipa?
Out buying way to say to budget.
Mara chinga ndingane cho ukuru namba chisia ndompa crop top. Anyways, guys, welcome back to the Black Couch Diaries. Ndikuti Remini, thank you for tuning in. Thank you. Okay, action. Hi guys, welcome back to the Black Couch Diaries. Thank you for tuning in and please Mini. Yo, as a radio ni arish.
Welcome to the Black Couch. I was a queen. It is
Also, I was doing well.
Welcome to the Black Couch Diaries, actually, not just the Black Couch, because this is another segment. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Rekadibano la coast out no chincha. Wono could send us the email it could and yeah, now what's the WhatsApp could unfortunately. But then like I did reply to you guys, or if there's anything else, I'll call you. Na verera. Timi the whole in the richa diva nangamadzin.
Unaba ngweti marebe abako to dotova like uba hone na rini. Mar ari mutu rawa na mutu waburaru for maybe duality abakunya go ushuta na rini utodzura gai.
Abakati na mic. Problem there. I always tell them we're the one problem ya mic.
Mara mtara chinga na mic wa wanga da.
Ila so stand.
Oh, flip.
Wo production manager wo shimisa cha bathu babili. Waitira to the intimate.
Okay, no, but then yeah, come silingo Dubai ndi do rwara kana bandu ya Dubai ngizibona. You know, I might travel so.
Okay. Okay, so in the meantime, guys, just allow us to have this like moment and then yeah, eventually we're gonna call you. Nah, then that's this. Hey, I just wanna talk about the thing in a comment. Remember the voice note? Why Chimikachi fi and then Chifi in.
Oh yeah.
Importance of love to Okay, okay.
It feels cuter. Ne personally, ndichiponga nichiri ini man kontema.
Okay, anyway.
Thank you. Because honestly, I think was the way. Ini ndi wana I don't know. Kama ngana vanga ende bachikonya goba fani fedzi. Hama ngomaduba ndi ene. And then I'm young and ndi ene throughout. I can't, guys. It feels violent, okay?
I feel like this is what son.
No, man. Imagine it's got Dolan. Oh, if you nishimsa ini na baby.
No.
Nishimsa ene. Mara sometimes nikoba nikoba nyari ini dongi
tani. Ndera nchiri do chondwalera ini.
Exactly. Ndikomba jezo. Zvino nari neriba ruso. Ndisendere.
Apa. Ochingasi kono pira. Chiko do dakecho.
Chiko do verera din.
In the meantime, guys, I was Chimikis episode. I was episode 2. Commentani. I have no reverse.
Like, share, comment,
subscribe.
I loved it. I felt like it was very. I've never asked you how is your week been or anything. Like, anxiety. No, how has your week been? Let's start there, guys.
How's my week? So I have to answer from the last Monday.
Because Monday.
My week was okay. Nothing much. One time, you know, actually, I'm just going to sort of mangaza. I'm going to go na editor. And then on Sundays, okay, now can do Gumemara Mrova. Yeah, and then they're Borani. That's when you go to beer as well.
Oh, when you kanda.
Oh, kanda.
As in
so you kandi wa food uri.
Dimi. Difunya. Diminjo vibrator.
That was my carry padare. No that
okay.
Yeah, so that could the doka di was on go kanda manager.
Askisi.
And it no part of Venda money.
Mara I don't know kandi wa peds begete then you're fine. Mara nichiri you don't have time to do much. Isn't that a good thing? Or you're like occupied so that you don't. I've been sometimes mutochiba free time wambo diba na depression.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, because you get time to think about a lot of stuff. So when you're too occupied,
actually, yeah,
booked and busy.
I would say ever since this whole thing, yeah, podcast started, I've been okay nje throughout, like anxiety, share or I try to stress it chitu because I always know there's something I need to focus on. like all the time. Like,
That's
yeah, so
nice.
this thing is good. Now, man, go Jena, go about the comment, and go say, yeah.
Oh, the comments.
Road to 10 million.
I used to think, in the ndo thing, or in the funesa, ukodi, mara they flatter me, yes.
Yeah, like.
And especially, because nendo nduzorindia wana nadzazi DM. This week, I even got a DM from...
Zampo.
Hi, man. I got a DM from one of the ladies. Okay, she grew up there, but she's married now. It was so heartwarming, Uri. It's not just the little ones that are watching us.
Yeah.
Like it felt so genuine, and I'm like, oh, that is very cute. So yeah, the comments and all that.
And then also this other time, I think it was during the week. Me I phone welcome, but oh, what like what for comment or all I'm gonna really say
No, like
zitova fadi zikwambia ola ona like zinondiva ufana ikiriki ukufuna mukana waliseyo zvino vari nipa mulova vari mumtu kana wafone ari mwana wendili YouTuber
nezvino ndotangana. Okay, I'm not gonna say where, mara never zvithu zvabusiku. So I meet some girl. Ew, bro, it was weird. I didn't know how to behave because I felt like how could you exaggerate, Mara? It's okay. And then she was like, oh my God, I can't believe it. I just watched your video before I came to this place. Because I was like, okay, how do I act? How do I behave? Don't put this on Moaga, but it was very weird. I didn't know how to behave because number more and that and some girl was like, are you the one from YouTube? I'm like, yeah. So it's flattering. I don't want to lie, Shem. It's really nice, especially.
Ange make G. This other guy, Oscar and text. No post that
yeah.
You know there was no network, so you post after 3 hours. And this guy reply her story. It's like, oh, so Jambori ndovna ini. I was just scared to come and say hi because I didn't know Rindini. Then in my mind I'm like, yo, thank God, because at they were Rindini and
yeah.
So like I'm like, yeah, sure. Udofini atonga zvino.
Hey, zvitomanepo. So ndotso ndichimbothi to haga muthu ra asikomba because the company yanga ndi kuitisa ngori. Company yanga. Ndiba ndina mixed emotions dzothe dzofunga.
Amazihaga zodzumba zviite dzino.
Yeah, so yeah, but either way, yeah, it was a very good week. Okay, no, not necessarily. Then they are funny. No, the mandate. Then it was the road to Sangaboroba. Auntie. Hey, what about a Sunday in a Monday? So that day, Rodeo guy, I gave him it was a mess. No, but Alex. Ayani, but Babazim.
No, Alex.
Yeah, Rodeo, young Ubamta. No choice. It was a good experience. I think when you go Melanga Masiar, Robert the one I went to done a bit of a quarter over because Robert up sick because I wanted to have a quarter from Alex. But either way, it was just sad because I felt like those kids cried more when they saw us. I don't know, man. But no, but remember Baba Isara Bapano before she went to the hospital. So I felt like it was.
No, don't you feel bad?
Yes, it was crazy because at least in Endo they do some good Venda. What do you explain now? They never this is what happened. And then they only asked us to like send pictures of where she fell so they can see what happened. Of which I'm actually glad, Uri. It happened and then I never explain what happened. Imagine if she fell and she died here. It was going to be like someone pushed her or whatever.
Yeah, true.
So the queen to explain what happened. But it was I shamed in a trauma. I shut order. No but yeah, overall, yeah, trauma but yeah, but it was fine. It was a good week. Comments that kept me alive, guys. Thank you so much. You ningita mutu ndikolwa na depression ngabe ndadha na depression izvini.
And that's for that.
No,
rakadamanga universities and all that. So.
Oh yes, Uri, what's the difference? I don't know. I don't care what the difference is.
So you want to be called N?
Because I grew up like that. So
it's going to take long for me to adapt because this is over grade 9. I've been calling you. Hey, what
do you guys have always seen me as a boy?
He's looking for the boy part of you.
No, it's not in my face, honey. It's not in my face. Please. It's not in my face.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I don't know, man. Also, like for the longest time.
You've been, bro.
I've been. Me and my friends are boys.
You see, the fact that I can also say you've been, bruh. Like, that bruh says a lot about...
Marandoto whenever like a chimiki no toruge and each time she smile. I'm like, who is this tanga? Ene achita.
Yeah. Yarufuno next to two. Ever smile what you found.
Vachipatina larufuno. Mana crash.
Don't worry, you got the dropper before hey no. So what was hey. And hey, Ari.
Yamwambira na yene.
Ni.
Lufuno waona.
Ai, hakuitoda mutu no. Mtu mulwane.
Oni mtu mulwane. Ndiri watakala chifandi kurunguru na crash.
No, watakala ru uko utantu.
Kurunguru na crash.
She's a Christian, she's all that and he's all about that.
Oh, that's so nice. So cute.
You know, into mponi mwana.
Atimuiti mwana mpoto ba cute. I'm finishing ene kaini ndari ini.
Oh, so nini mizori ini mari you wanna be called ene ngane?
Because you're a guy.
Okay, it's fine. And then I feel like Rich Kwaba probably now mention as well the anxiety and all that, right? And then Rich Kid prepare this week. You are the one who came up with the thing. Let's talk about mental health.
Yeah.
First. So now I got worried, and then I was also excited. Okay, we have something to talk about. Do some mood out there.
Yeah.
But then why would Wafa bring this up? Is there something going on in your life or something like that?
Not necessarily, but I feel like don't know your experiences are with people around me. It would have been nice also to have it Rina Mutuane Angari explainer who has been through like probably suicide attempts and all that, because I've never been through like any suicide attempts. Na depression I'm not really sure if I have it, but my friends say I do. But me, I don't see it. So the anxiety, I mean, for me, it's just life going on. But I've seen it so much with people around me, and I feel like we just need to normalize it a lot. I think the more we talk about it, the more people are going to know about it. Not when I'm depression, I'm deep.
Yeah, true.
Do you understand? So,
I like the fact that you said that. And
like, I am therapy.
But then I get where it's coming from though.
No, Yamara therapy. The Venda. Session Tarugana. Yeah, it was when I lost my friend in 2020. So 2021 matomoni. It was getting to my head. Because what happened was I lost him in November. December ishishika, I just wanted to forget it. I remember we went to Cape Town. We spent Christmas there, everything there. In my head, I'm thinking, Ndolo really want to go relax. You understand? Yeah. Martina, I'm actually like shying away from dealing with it. So I didn't realize I was depressed up until like Feb when I was working. That's when I knew, damn. I literally took myself straight from work to like get a therapist. Because it was getting very bad. But then for me also, I didn't think it was depression. Then okay, don't lose that, a very close person. So
yeah, I think it's just
normal,
Yeah.
But I think the more we talk about it, the better. Because people are going through a lot, eh?
Yeah, everyone is going through a lot.
Especially you men, because you guys want to talk about anything.
Yeah.
Why?
Why? Why? It's actually true, and I also believe that, right? But then before we get into that, let's just discuss some key words they play around into mental health. There's actually the word stress, anxiety, and then the word depression, like you mentioned. So, would you be able to differentiate between the three?
No, I can't. Maybe that's why this at end or denial, because sometimes I really feel anxious. No, I'm probably just anxious because things are not going well. Things are not going the way I want them to go. Or I mean, for me, I've always felt like it's normal. Up until mom does explain or no. And then at the end, I post a car. You should have his book. And time shared it. The examples are anxiety. Apparently, about the shenga. And then you do it, but you don't know it's anxiety. Yeah, like a rash at the back. You're probably gonna think it's just a skin reaction, but it's anxiety.
Yeah.
So I feel like we should do like more research about it. Read because that's not normal.
I don't know why you rang nail clipper because I don't even use it. Like, do you want to call Nara?
Wow, really? The nail polish. No, like it's about. Hey, why are you looking at me like that?
What is
nail polish, not your color. Like it's a bonari. I feel like that's better. Hey, I don't know. Hey, Mara, therapy. Now, do you think therapy works though?
I don't know. I've never been to therapy, and I don't think I'll ever go to therapy. And there in a mindset wanga. Now there's that thing in name Mwamuzra Kambori, man. So it is what it is.
Move.
Just like that. That's what people believe now. Which actually I've been there's a psychologist and a therapist, right? And two different things. Difference
you mean? Fact checker.
The researcher. I did some research about how these things differ. So stress, it mostly affects the physical and emotional mental health. Your mood. And also, in this check, I also thought these things happen sequentially. So the other one leads to the other up until your phase. And then anxiety, this creates feelings of nervousness. Like the definition anxiety.
So are you nervous? Never nervous anxiety.
Yeah, true.
Oh, Mara, then that's not the reality of life. So you're not allowed to be nervous. Not over nervous, but in the anxiety.
A continuous one, maybe.
Hey, how when I want explanation?
Okay, yeah. Here's the thing, back in high school, you go to a high school, you go to a speech, like everyone knows but then the moment you're in the pan and everyone keeps quiet, I'm like, why is everyone looking at me now? Why really? Like I would prefer amba
that's a joke with the back seat. Class clown.
Back seat. Now you right.
Marana class clown.
I was the class clown, I know. Yeah, so that's prefer it as I don't mind doing anything. Now you should just say that I can do it. Mara, don't focus on me while I do that. Because now I'm thinking of what if I fail? What if that caca?
So that's anxiety.
That's anxiety. Yes. Now you're worried and you're never sorry. How do it as well? So this is gonna be like the end of me kind of nose game and pan.
Jamburi artende uri heyo yanu ndia continuous ndia uri every time na focus wakaini ni aba anxious, right?
Exactly.
Habana ya musi
not just that.
Habana ya class yote ine uchiko that speech mona unochua nyana.
Yeah,
that's the one that I have. I've never had a problem with him ever. So now it makes sense. Now go a difference. I don't want people to think a little bit of nervousness.
All
oh my
the time.
God, I've got anxiety. Because also we need to explain it more so that because now I feel like people are taking it a bit too far. Depression. People think it's cool and it's not. Yeah. Like everyone just wants to have, oh my God, my anxiety is it's not depression, cool, bro. It's not. Whenever you go through depression, my anxiety, a little bit of silence, you feel anxious.
Yeah, like why is everyone looking at me?
That's serious. Do you understand? Yeah. Hey, because I do
even now, class it was the presentation. Like yo,
hey. That was my favorite part.
Really? Yeah. Because I remember last year we had a presentation at design. Like I had the best content, but then to utter it out, it's another story. Yeah. And then depression here, I mean, this causes feelings of sadness, hopeless, and reduces energy. Which I do get. Reduces energy and hopelessness. These two.
Okay. Stretcher because you can't wake up happy every day, right? And you just don't want to do today. That should be normal as well.
That's normal, but now why? If you can just wake up out of nowhere and you're like, okay, I don't feel like doing anything, that's something normal. But then if you know the reason why you don't want to do anything that day, that reduce energy, I feel like that should be some part of depression. Like I don't want
to hopeless. Don't forget the hopeless part. So if you feel hopeless, deep down you know you're trying to push and it's not working for you the way you want it to work,
and you've been trying to,
and that enough is that alone is enough for you to feel sad.
Yeah.
So ni said mubiri utio responder to zinena kupfazwa nenga ngomu nidobani sinanungo.
Yeah.
So is that depression as well?
That's what they say.
Ndifunga mara rio da furra resetsa zwavhuḓi ngori a thi khou ṱoḓa uri muṅwe na muṅwe ana ḓo vuwa a pfa sa khou nyanga a khou pfa uri na musi is a bad day a pfa uri na depression. Because honestly you can't be happy every day. Like you can't be nṋe ndi zwine nda vhona na dzi teenager like nṋe my little brothers huna ḓuvha ḽine na tou mbona muthu uri muthu I don't care uri ndi vhasidzana kana ndi mini but he just wants to be in his room. I'm not going to go bother him because ahuna muthu anga vuwa a jolly ḓuvha ḽiṅwe na ḽiṅwe. That's not possible. Ndi shangoni pano even if hu songo tou pfhi huna tshithu tshi no khou ni dina mara maḓuvha a fani. Do you understand? It might be something very small kana ndi nga vha no tou humbula zwithu zwine zwo itea kale uri yo no eḓela ni khou zwi lora or whatever and then when you wake up that day no vuwa kha the wrong side of the bed. So I think ri da fu right jena I don't know. That's when it was going to be very nice ro wana na dzi
but
vono to zwiḓivha vha khou to zwipfa.
I feel like if you can get an expert ya sure as depression or mental health so to say na muthu ane ona zwi experience. So in due time ngani ngochona ba right those people should be here guys. Vha to abada rine vha ri vhudze chingwe na chingwe and then ni khou amba zwori ni a soko vuwa ni sina energy ninge zwikiriswa nga zwithu zwine ni nga vha no zwihumbula before zwone iteo before o dovha tshavisa ndi khou nyago ya khaya. Yeah, so like ndila zwi ra khambori zwi khou ri vhuisa kha ya therapy na psychology ndi muthu ane ndi amba naye so vhaṅwe vhathu zwi itea so ngori ane ambe na muthu zwithu zwi itea. So Fibedi, what's the difference between a therapist and a clinical psychologist? A typical distinction is that the general psychologist focuses on the healthier people while clinical psychologist focuses on people with more serious mental health. So wait, which one is a therapist there? The general psychologist. Okay, yeah. So therapist focus ka mtu ane u right. Is that what they're saying?
So why ni chinga yapetu ni right? Bakuri mini abantu.
Nazo fana mini. Why would you save money? Usipenda chinga chini adwa ni broke. That's what I thought about. Okay, yeah. Okay. A therapist usually chooses a field of specialization such as marriage or family therapy and guides clients to help them overcome personal issues. Whereas a psychologist requires strong analytical and observational skills. So psychologist ubala mumbro wanu, I would say. And then therapy inini mubudza.
Ani refer ka psychologist.
I wouldn't say that as I'm solve based on what you told them. But then psychologist they have to read your mind. So don't must assume that D is easy. Masiko go tamba ngaini and then she will tell you your problem.
Yeah.
I'm better in Italian.
Don't know one experience na therapist, a psychologist. Therapist ndezvula zvine rinarabona zvone movie ninazo. That idea ya watu. Ngori ndezvula zvine nadanodzula. Akoniudzisa ni right. Mini akoniudzisa akongwara kwasi. The therapist usually abantu ya in depth so zvine vakwamba bona psychologist ningadzula zvino you have a normal conversation akonobisa report yorini kudinwa ngami.
Oh okay, yeah, so, now I see because nendo ya therapist
usema tunobalo mumbulo
abalaba abazingambali mumbulo boli mara bontuzanyana swifani
ngotomunyaza bathu
no bonzama but tingodofeza difference.
That's the thing. Yesu ndichimaliza tuchita mtu achijamaliza kuombera mkhele akwamba ka the wife remember chief mini ngasi therapy why should I go usache jango
black women whatever more like all those things. That's why we have nani chibaro because usually it's women so you feel inferior nichikodzura and you're telling a woman your problems. Imagine okay let me make an example. Let's say nichikongana kwamba nakhaladzi yanu okay mara nichiyaka hola mfumakadzi azvingadonga khaladzi yanu asvifani
okay ambani
because ani mudi let's say ndi muthu wa munna ane una problem ya you know ya zwithu zva vanna do you understand?
Yeah.
It wouldn't be as easy for you to go there namburi I've got a problem in my marriage and the tides only hezvila zvitu no sedza mufumakadzi because already you're thinking this person is going to look at me as a failure like ndiko better keep a marriage yanga because I'm not a man enough. Even if you go there and it's financial because usually kabana it's mostly finances.
True.
Or traumas zontonga but when they've been molested and whatever it's very difficult for you to go face another woman kana munna even worse and tell him I can't have kids.
So who do you tell?
Oh,
If you're
ndikotambula.
afraid to tell a lady.
I'm just saying, I feel like that's why it's hard for you men
Yeah.
to go there. Mara rine bafumakadzi namtsiresa tofunana ngorari. We have the sense of comfort. Like ndiyakona uri ndichiona mumwe mufumakadzi zvifanana vafumakadzi nonerovengananga, like we don't really hate each other. We actually love each other roditisa because naya the toilet groove rikufixana mavudzi. I don't have to know you in order for me to tell you your lipstick is not whatever. So namsiriche therapy, it's easier. You can cry like your lungs out and whatever and whatever, but it's difficult for you as a man to go cry to another man. Even worse, to go cry to another woman.
Yeah.
I think that's why.
But then I feel like with VT, like I said, I'd come but no, I feel like I'm like a therapist, so to say it now. Or in I had that thing already. I can't be letting out all my problems to this person. I'm the victim. I don't know what she's gonna do afterwards. But then the one element already. How about their professionals?
Yeah.
The same way, and then so I'll say engineer. No, there's something you're expected to do, or is very perfect. No, no, to they're expecting something from them, or some to a therapist. You can't just let out mapunga wat. And the last was to click and then I was able to open up. Lune is not easy.
It's not.
It's not easy because the only reason I did that is because while I was like, I'll never meet this person. And so I feel like with men, there's always that thing also. Maybe you will never meet them ever again. That was your queen. Rather than railway, Facebook.
Kana navudza sister yanu definitely ukudova too worried udza miyanu miyanu vakudovudza kuti yanu kuti yanu vafunzi vachisvika yeni navo va open up come to wavo natomangana kerekeni votonisadza vakonipfela vutungu vachikosikonatovona votonisedza navana votonisedza straight.
So there's that thing. And then in a stress, how do you cope with it? Just to know. Or any of these things. Why?
Because my dealing mechanism is not it. I show me and asiabu this one yamba but do show me. Yeah.
In as much as people say I show me, it's a temporal thing.
It is very temporary.
Because that's what I've heard people say. You forget about that. Like you are in your cloud 9 in J. So but then after that, obviously it's gonna kick in back.
Yeah. But I think also we're there. I take a lot of sleeping pills.
I never know. I just sleep.
And like there was a time a few months ago where I wasn't sleeping for like a whole 2 months because there's 400 there, but my brain is working. So when I wake up, I'm tired. Like, movie what there, mara. My. Candidates. Flat. So I had to opt for sleeping pills. Although I once used sleeping pills in 2019, that's the allergics. Because it was getting bad to a point where that's I was taking 4 at a time. So I was like, okay, stop. So now I'm using Zingwe. Marandita over the counter. So it's a prescription. It's not drugs. Mara, it's just once. Comes to 9. There's one each hour now, and I know 9 got 10 days. Then that's fine. I'm gonna wake up fine, eat start my day. That one day, I just feel like I'm just trying to get my body to like get used to it. I don't know, but I think where data also works for me. Cause no data, you're gone.
Sleeping with a like muzika, like muzika. I'll just put it on full blast. That's the thing. Go for Jekolu. Okay, now I won't listen to Venda music. So if it's not Venda music, I'm gonna listen to piano.
Asati.
Yeah, like maybe for the beef. No. Like maybe for the beefy. Like the beefy other yeah, like at least something nature and cheer up.
Yeah.
Like, oh damn, why music of Zamafungo?
Okay, I love hip hop as well, but I guess Jina level una jine come see I'm stressing about month end, right?
But the phone me that Rasakotosoko says a joke. But about the phone after the dropper, I'm a drop and
zvino nemi yanga vangadziya vairera nichivafunira my mom will call. It's just that zvino vadzozo rikoshuta nga 2 nemi yanga vana wana waya macheloni nenga wana waya madekwana nane pamwe bukati like literally naje ndakakolog yanga ndi phone number dzavo nga macheloni ndiya office bukati nayanga madekwana. So we do talk mara una madhuva ne I'm sure nabone vazvi for this person is not she doesn't really want to talk but he's okay there. He's okay there, you know, but yeah, but I feel like for me sleeping and drinking a bit, not like drinking I'm not talking about no, usually just a glass of wine to calm my nerves, you know. It helps me. Yeah, or a shot. It helps. Not for you guys. As I'm guys, because when any music one issue mera, ne Venda pay and I pa it wouldn't help me. Who's metro?
Leave me alone. Let's go say my baby.
Ne Venda bendi definera mizo guys.
A lot about.
Hey guys, this you know resaid. Riko very nike topic nende tsinolira. Na bernazi childhood trauma.
That's a trouba. I just want to know, like you didn't mention Rishiko Tom or your friends one else so the mental health and all that. Like how do you then notice mutwane havana mental health problems? Say angadeva mngano wanu kana simngano but then any signs nene angazicheka or mtu noni unazo?
They usually move away, like they detach. Ngozibona I feel like niyadiba bangana vanhu man. Neno nombona zvendi post izani me I'm like a regular posting girl. So ndiye badiwa bangana bangoro hoyu apumula heli duba lote kana apumula 4 hours kana whatever something is up. As I don't forward meme or whatever, I know definitely something is up. Mara at the biba when nemara with my friends ndipanga upumula because bangana upumula. So aba asi ope to then I know something is up. Then I'm gonna call, not necessarily or phone under what's going on. Just call, share a few jokes there and there because you know I'm funny as hell. So it helps. So never say sanyana, I do my part.
What does that mean?
I do my part. You know, because now when they do the same for me.
Yeah.
And me, my friends do the Nazilio. Never gonna I'm so right. No, I'll be fine. I'm ordering you whatever. I'm getting whatever. And me, my friends come through, hey? And then my friends would order you food with their last money. Like I just feel like I just have those people around me. Yeah. So just wanted to no man relax, I'll be fine. But then yeah, I think bachi detach. I also do that a lot. Like because I was not mentally in a state where I want to be laughing around. Yeah. I don't know if it makes sense. Yeah, like it feels wrong, Mara. I have nothing to laugh about. So like I don't want to be I don't want to be around oh my God, how are you doing? Let's go do this, let's go do that. I love them so much and I've seen how they try. Mara I see I don't want to be there. Hey, and
try or to cheer you up and you're like, no, and I don't want to be alone, man.
Not dwelling that before Sunday, it was a Friday. Youth. When I got there was a girl, her name is Chako. No, Chako mine. So these names. So you don't I man to go jumpy, so you don't look okay. I'm like, yo, bruh, so sometimes we need the first time even go to your because need those smile at maram those zone out.
Yeah, true.
It's gonna hit you and you're just gonna be lost. So yeah, I think detaching.
Yeah. But what a beat? Rather like I know how close we are. So if I go through something, I can tell. Kind of the expose like like you can just lash out on you. Therefore, because I know I would say to this I would say like if as sharp anything else then because I know already. So the drum takes afterwards because like that's just how they are. And then I wouldn't mention names because I'm just not okay with it. Mara, they also detach. Like Nazama or Hela Nishapuna no they right all that so Wangana and you never know how to support such people at that moment.
It's me, I try. Hey, maybe it's because I've lost a friend to suicide. So hey, Ndiazama Uri at least because before he actually did it, 2 years ago oba attempta oba khona ukuzama and texted and then I stopped it, right? So the fact that when it happened rawubili angochambudza ne, I always feel like if I can see my friend is not okay, let me do something. If it means calling their mom, I'm going to call their mom. And I'm going to telephone numbers or whatever.
I hate, yo.
I mean, me, I'll do it.
Well, no, not to now I will call someone's mom. Hey, mtu alright. Mara mum out of phone me hanga like yo. I'll be so mad because I know bako do phone na bako tumo pirera. Hey, tanga me.
Mara areni si right and
voice
right.
No, babachi kunya gwambarana.
Ndini si right and right tanga. Auna zwe ngaita. Rikuti ufone miyama. Rikuti phone era for me au call. That was one so to right because I just feel like kabe ola obodo and texted I still would have done something.
Yeah.
So the fact that however nenda bana obache honeti, I would do anything for my friends. Like I will do anything. I'll go out of my way. Even with my siblings, if you're not okay, I will see and I will make sure because I mean someone needs to do something.
Yeah, need to be road and to comfort. Like I would hear you out.
Comforting is hard, dude.
Umuntu kwani with a problem to you're like the way if I pain home and I wanna help out so but how do I do it? Like you just don't know.
Comforting is not easy. No, I don't think they are gone. It's giving gay. It's giving gay. This one time a friend of mine lost the dad. So ndofunelwa ne avine kandi yaphala mdini ngizibona ndine mtu wathoma ngoyenga machironi uri and guys it was so weird
yabubela zimfuni
ndotofoneliwa ngamiyawe ngei nditobona ulamngana nichichata ndidobuba nichilova ndidobuba ndidzira ndimungana holare hone either way ndidobuba nikotodo commit suicide ndidobuba I'll be there, doesn't matter what's going on. So hafi ndiye ndichisvika and we're in high school at that point ndichisvika ukorira I remember ndoshikana mwana korira ndari okay ndindisere madhi like I didn't know what to do. So ndichisvika kitchen ndomusiya kamarani. I remember breathing in and out. I'm like ndichijama ndikosvika ndaita mini zvendo kumunwisa what's going on, you know, it's not easy. Ndatowana madhi ukorira hoyo mtu like and nari vangana vohagana nari on hug for us. I don't know, even with the girls it's just ari hagana
girls, you guys it's easy, you can do it like
nevangana akani ma vampire atina mungana anonghagawo bothe khabade ba comment abare bonongaga ari agani ende rumelisana zvo muthu asi right call it manga makungu I don't know why we don't play like that. We're just like that. I don't know why. So I remember that day uri ndova ndisadhi uri nditeni. So comforting is not easy. I don't think una muthu ndozvikona. Oh no, maruna but vanofuna haga ndivone vane they're the best comforters.
Let's go this my perfume avo.
And we have one aunt in manu wanga mngoni ndiye nokono haga pits. Everybody else would never know what to do when things are bad. She's like a hugger, she's like a comforter. Ndiye nokono but no, let it out. Kambe nane. Everybody else is a vampire.
I never wrote like what's it been written mean? Yeah, so let's go. Vala, do you want to end it?
No, guys, let's leave mental health. Let's
okay,
move.
So in closing, a topic, like I did some research, and according to Mail and Guardian, from 13,000 plus suicidal deaths in about 10,000 of them were. And then I was so worried why, and then I checked already mentioned as depression covered na kanji, and then like you mentioned the usashuma, so unemployment, and then there's employment now, because niko shuma, but then you're not that okay shuma, but then you just wanna do it to make sure my family is still like attached financially, everything is okay. There's that, and then I go on a relationship.
Hey, also you have a lot. Hey, you need mshumo munji man. Hey, I can't imagine being a man, guys. Don't move. I can't do FM. I can't imagine being a man. Like, that's why I'm going to go because I feel like for me when this especially if you ego, what's the self-esteem? Do you know how hard it is with self-esteem? Already nikopana na mutu zino anichitera maybe with like a buff guy or whatever or maybe like a model
a rich guy
or a rich guy, yes, or a rich guy. For you to come back up it's gonna take forever. Mara nenda chitedwa with a good looking girl, it might not take me too long uri ndiwiyerere ndibe in the moon. I don't know, I just feel like everything is just harder for you guys as men. I don't know why. oh that came out wrong. Damn. It is harder. It is harder, guys. It's okay. Neno ko say joke this is kereke. Also want say joke
Oh
about.
Lord, why did I laugh at that?
Okay,
Like,
guys, let's close it. Yo.
Yeah. So,
Hey.
okay, another man around campus where rich guys and buff guys versus about what. So I want us to talk about good guys versus bad guys. That's why I go scroll through TikTok. Hey, TikTok is my it's my therapy also. Maybe that's why I say I get therapy a month.
Okay.
Like TikTok, Nico browse. There's this thing. Not like a video into more the top of that zone. I like that algorithm though.
Yes.
So when I'm going out, teenage sorry, which one do you like? Do you like good guys or bad guys? Like someone who actually pause for like a good 10 seconds. Like, isn't it supposed to be easy? I like good guys.
In conclusion, we don't know what we want as women.
They do. At the end, we want bad boys. Like, what?
Also, the bad boy Maraisa Dojolao. That's not bad.
No, because that lady, what I mean? Oh, like, I prefer a bad guy. And like, I want you like to be dominant sometimes. I'm like, hey,
that's not being bad.
I'm like, okay. And then I want to have sleepless nights sometimes just because of you. I'm like, hey.
Ndiko diambore ari divishnera kotoda ndichira ari divindo dipangana nena neti kunipindura yembudzi
zamani isukuyipindura zvino. Would you go for a bad guy or a good guy?
I've dated both and it was both fun.
What was the bad guy? Because I know the good guys you dated.
Oh, you're talking about that one from high school?
Nah, I'm talking about high school.
Good guy when
Hey. I feel like so man.
Uri bad guy or ni yoba inyi.
If you could answer
no, I can't.
How bad was he? Yeah, how bad was he? You never know.
Like he would, I couldn't get hold of him maybe from Friday to Monday. That's what you are meaning. I just put it on the result. Ish, mtuanga. Ish. And it's bad up.
You were lighting as it said.
I mudzim. Just you say sir. Chipo says na mara chipo dimu phone ne hey mngana wodoba bari wadmit so chipo says like I got ara songofariwa uzibadela kana
Vakadze criminal
ungalangala iko jena 2 ticks weekend yote mtu ofariwa
no atin to mapodisa jafone azive akaila cheka aziti
uzibadela badela uri ashto vakakoma ikosiko jena 2 ticks akobero potedza phone kana ari sister yanga umntu obasa pfiwewe achikono rindi na period pain ukondisira pills dzingasvikamba machero
I know what period pain
zitemba machero so like zvozichimbura vatoviri vara zvozichivoseisa ndichivotofonera mungano wangu uri hey vakodova valamulwane vari this time around mini so yeah I enjoyed the time we had because Robert Chivata zotakadza, you know, I who party, he's gonna buy stuff for the pina. Even
I feel like that's why but the bad boys because they will do all that.
We used to rock together. We would party.
Good boys, yeah.
We would party and all that. As a kofa. Mara, when it's time to show up, he shows up. And then with the good guys, it has always been good guy. So that I can explain to you. Yeah, he was a good guy.
He's very good.
Yeah, he's a very good guy. I don't want to lie. Yo, that guy is a very good guy. Because I think it was my first love. So...
And then
onka kera wongori nikuzimona ni first love
nika great guy.
No onka kera ngori on the way just zvine ndichivosvika shango nilove kuma it didn't exist, you know. I mean ndandikorengerwa dzi gifts then ndichiona gift ya Valentine's Day ya Women's Day ndikomba high school like real gifts like ndotomola Ferrero kare like tingoipa zvino achimbovzi yandiranda zvo relaxa mabudzi nikuzimona zvinoro ako set a trend. I know Asina he was just a good guy. If you remember, he didn't come from like a rich family. He was just a good guy. It was who he was. Because I remember great and he asked me what I wanted. I said I wanted a Bible. And then he bought me a Bible, but it came with so many things, so many chocolates, so many cakes and all those things. So I think on spoiler and digital shango na matanga ko generate. No, guys. So I think I don't know, man. We're not best of both worlds. Good guy na sometimes sometimes, you know, he's not. For example, and kudos yamanga chivendora singozvifa hoy arenda bana izvino hanwi hadai haiti mini.
So the guy you're dating doesn't drink. Oh, sorry.
uri hazvipfe
tindainterpreta
no
keke
tinamini tinamini ri kusola ava
sorry they haringokatiwa
hanwi haiti mini so ria robva rote ene aho ya kutavanya uya ri kusola kana ndikona ava kombusa yo babe are you sure like are you gonna be fine that's your third glass are you still okay because he doesn't understand you know so yeah ndiita ndichituvavala vasapfi mara as for ene muneti I wouldn't choose the other person over him so acknowledge ndikwambora ari divi record mini because we want a piece of that and a piece of that and that's not possible
so I would say in summary ndikonyanga mini mtu ane they party like the bad boys and then they give you that you see the princess treatment yeah
ndikuda chelede pezi
so if a big guy comes with money he's okay
abe good looking and he must smell very well and he must be very clean and smart. I love men that challenge me. Ngore no already ndi adina so nazoko mentally
okay.
Because ne already ndi ambesa atikuda munene sometimes do phumula ndo for wamba kuti abala hapa zvino so nada ni bari ndi dzwani kunifura because I talk a lot so I want someone that will tell me azvone ezvo zvine ngamba zvone Only academically also he does a lot of technical stuff and whatever expose the exposition eyo
uri high
exposure
exposure
na exposition is fun achikumarket ngomtho ndinaye thoni ene ndiyadozwe ndikini kodwa ndiyadhuvala ndiyadorihelele ndamubvisa present ndomudza ichipera show
naniwe
hayi hayi
asimkone nah ayitawanye very sure
ini ka good girl na bad girl
are there bad girls in life
yeah
nah are you a bad girl
I'm a good girl
so then I wouldn't a bad girl if you think you're a good girl
I'm just open to a lot of stuff but I'm a good girl
how would I prefer
as a girlfriend I'm a good girlfriend yazdiva utobori batavazdivi because people only see ne muntu angada pano ni na trail ndio havela kuti aba me I'm a good girl me I'm a good girlfriend bra neka aningasiriuke
I'll go for a good girl man like simple as that
good girl ndi meaning kind definitely doesn't drink doesn't smoke for you
doesn't smoke I'm not sure about drinking
or doesn't smoke yeah
doesn't smoke that's
doesn't smoke what
anything that is
not
like
even habli
smoke. Yeah ndivi iningosetsha mini hapo
eso bayaputedza
vaya kufokasera kuleke wasoko nimaona ka rickshaw wasoko yeah like someone they don't smoke they could drink it's fine mara naini ingasiveni kunohantsana riya good girl
yopamala gaela tukori kukangwa zvefa yopamala gaela
yemngana
trapezi ya dureza mta
if you mean brutal fruit no brutal fruit so deep as
ndi orosi last
kezo ngosubona so that's a good girl ukodina orosi ne yodito shelwa yana
brutal fruit ebeningaila na broto
nkana ngona
no usuri ndikale itoba sweet butsen mwana mu itoba sweet like aniphi halwa kayo
okay yeah so someone like
Savannah ndi bad girl
shit Savannah ni mini
mbo Savannah ndi bad girl
I decide
why Hennessy ndi bad girl
Hennessy because mzano no Hennessy and into odo irenga uinwano irenga sfali
no rodo irenga
if not irenga you could be a good girl
what are ni songo irenga toize no shelelio
you a bad girl or ni anyone elanto sav
asuba bad girl no ningozvipa zvino asuba bad girl ne ni ababona bangana baenda banapo
ipapriko commercial tipapriko na Hennessy so ka paprika commercial Hennessy
asuba bad girl papi ndo mdowela rune ndawa nofara Hennessy ndingaino
mdowela
zvino zviamburi arendo iwana okay wopapi vadonwa Hennessy vokone vanwa Hennessy okay none almost everyone
Venda kunwa Hennessy Venda
una cherede Venda boys have money bra ndidzirelo budza vatu
venu kuenda
Venda men have money Venda men have money bro na vatu vono bowla hapa nda dziklabuni dzapano it's Venda men Venda men are loaded Venda men are doing well
that's all I wanted to be
Venda men are going to diamond walk like it's boulders Venda men have money bro uno Venda vana cherede guys
una mtu manini actually that's the time video yayo ya elifinyilo semana lasi jawu jabu na cherede si
ati ḓivhi ngo to ralo personally mara I think unayo
ndo vhona video yawe opaka goloi side parker ṅwana phala fhethu ne a u paka dzigoloi nga ngomu a swika paka une if ukafuko
opaka goloi ifhio
ndi goloi how pm kana tsha mundo sendela tshinepe nga mulalo if aphala fhethu afi a u khou paka goloi nga ḓi to paka dza tshelede because uri ibe close na nthu na dzi ATM na mini tshavha u paka ndari uri ni vhe ni paka fhethu so ndi vha na tshelede ya vhukuma
I think unayo
Venda una tshelede
Venda has money guys yo zwato balangi ndi khou maliwa Venda
ya ni nga kha ḓi umela Venda
ba kha ḓi vha hone yani hani maḓuvha ndi khou thoma zwi vhona zwa out bed zwi vhona kha tshigona china bunch na tshelede ri
so tshinyadza
tshi fanele ende
tshelede ya tshifanela zwino
ya mufanela ya mufanele sesa shema athi kuto mufura
ni khaitese mufanela
kantsetse like I'm not joking money looks good on you like ati muvoni hashem tu muvoni asinayo nani amfanela ati
maybe a rich man not uri ninwe nayo
no ndo ḓovha nayo mara niko ṱoḓa ndi tshi vhona rich man fhedzi nṋe ndavha ndi sina
no u ḓo nifha ti
tshelede yo fhiwa ifani maṱanga aifani ile tshelede
princess uya ṱoni wanchi manono vha prince na ini zwino usazo ḓipana tshelede ndi prince
ai uri nṋe ndaona muthu rena tshelede ni vhona nga ndi nga litsha business yanga
no usuri ni litshe ngona Alicia like she has money and all that mara you know
shombo ndi prince ngori heli aliko to diphandela self
okay king
ngori ndi king
ndi king heli
okay
yeah arifiri hey last time rambanga fivini Royal Heritage Festival rikhambo zori mizo the wobi wani nthana capable boys awunana mthiwa wala bathu except for makadzi
na makadzi okay no mara
kameri la video
root kit
arikhomba zva Cairo wala video ka TikTok wakamukana
bingo boy
bakeze bakeze abechede yaka taxi tila ese parapari pase SABC ndi chambuso so taxi angenda kwebade iko yeka parapari yabidza vaimbi wona walibidzere Cairo
why are people so upset ngela lineup
Cairo do go okay then I don't know what people commented I the video your reply as in after arikhamba zva Cairo so like let's a video yawo like yo
I'm not big on TikTok and I want to
TikTok event
addictive mara ndi bando shava zwe
TikTok event let me just say TikTok event what the man
or ndi one videos of Venda ndi read sign
you can just search Venda #Venda TikTok team now you can like and then next time you won't have to dot mo so called Venda what the Venda di shanga
Venda zi define
arikamba zva Cairo
Shino any what do you think about the
lineup it's flop. Simple.
Why? What makes you think it's a flop?
Like people that we're expecting are not there, and there's a reason why we're expecting them.
Ina expecting mpeni batabana.
Capable boys, see? Misophil. Who else? I wouldn't say from Venda also. Mara Wogus Baba.
What if baka pre-party? Because pre-party and you wanna line up your
no, but then still Mara
banga si de hote.
Comes with anyway Zumbe.
No, mara banga si de hote. Don't you think? Does it make sense to you as a events planner to have an artist today and tomorrow?
Well, then don't give me the one for today. Give me the one for tomorrow.
And then today writes that.
Venim root kid na Guzba.
A root kid achiko visa hanga. Ichiko vuta so.
Murito.
Murito ko bores.
Eba bibajwa go ari pumule to the
case. So okay, Mara, personally, I'm not disappointed. Hey, I don't know.
I'm very disappointed.
I actually spoke to my mom about it. I think I always work at TikTok because I'm like,
that's what people are complaining about.
But that's how every event works. The tickets. Now, you know, if it's value o'clock or your visa ticket, you can buy the tickets, but you don't know who's coming.
Mara, here's what happens: value o'clock. Ticket is 60 rand, like you said. Line up pick bob. Ticket do you get 60 rand. So no no give me no renga ticket ya Royal Heritage because the prices are still low. So now price your gonya. Line up your no regular. Nine as one even nawash.
The personality, ati dibi uri.
Pleasure amanyalo.
Exactly. I'd rather do most of them. I
I
would really be happy arenda one or give people boys ionika pre. This is the TD. It would be it would be a good thing arali vha hone. You know why? Nga uri vha ḓo vha vho fara show like I ḓo vha I yavho heyo pre because you've seen what they do. Ni khou kona mpfesesa.
Ni yanga vha tshi fara Royal Heritage the main event.
Okay, Mizo.
$49. $49 ni vusori wa Mizo songo vidziwa.
Kusi yanga vha khou ri mini.
Una network into. Ni tshibashimisa network ifhiwa nge.
Kana mana MTN. Ri khou founela Bucks ri khou mu vhudzisa zwa nthu.
Yeah, now sorry. How does he feel about Mizo not being on the thing, on the lineup?
Ni pfe ndi tshi change voice ndi tshi amba na vhathu ka 9. Ndi khou ḓivha kha mic. Ni pfe ndi tshi change voice ndi tshi amba na vhathu.
Songo ri no rumwa nga nne ri.
Ndi khou ḓo amba uri ri khou shoota.
Zwo ri khou shoota wa vdiva.
Why ndi songo khou tea ni amba?
Ndi mbuzi ino kudaka ino kubva kha ini straight. Yo, what for me?
Hayi ko read no read ndi phone nga phone call ndi.
Na kufuna watapo. Eba ndezwi zilengisa show moshi. Khore ngweze time.
Riza tuthoma no hola show yone ri vha vhudza pfi renge time. Arina na chikipa ufika ndi renge time. Imani thome ndi pfura inga ḓo thoma ngori your balance is lower than R5. Okay.
Nani ndi azwite.
Please wait a moment. Your call will be connected.
Ndive ndive uthomorisa ndizvo ndakwenda loudspeaker.
Ziko pfala. Anga vha khou ḓi shumela muthu. Muone ra khou tea mfono ya bending.
Papriko. It's fine. Net na phone up. Ndiona mavunza Papriko ra mfone.
Hi Bugs, uri mini fedzi? I'm okay. Ukwamba na uabva ti? I'm all right. So, we actually shooting a podcast, right? And we're having a conversation here, Royal Heritage. So we want to know why Mizo was not booked. Why Mizo is not on the lineup.
Well, I would love to answer such questions, but for me, to protect my artist brand and now she does what like political gossip and everything. I think we have to comment like they did their part. I think they would have a clear answer on how they took their decision, because they did consult with us, they did ask for our quotation and whatever, but when they did their publication, it resulted in that. So I wouldn't want to say much on that. I would just say maybe just try to get a perspective co-pastor out. More than the party on our side, you know.
Yeah. Okay. Ondinyi ono buka the artist ene rangamkwama?
I think it's Mbarabari.
Oh, Mbarabari D. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you so much, Bugs. That was a good answer, eh?
You're welcome.
Thank you, Shav.
Oh, damn.
Marano ifachitori chilo fi quotation
yo. Yeah, quotation yo, yeah. And then Mizo is always pushing that thing or watu va Venda kaba badilese wa makuwa.
Oh, zembura hanga bo visa mini. Price ya bukuma yawo ine akupfura u deserve yone yabona diena kai.
And then ufinyi.
Mongwe ndinyi ene ri kutodombusiro wasi yo line up.
Do you still have time? Yeah.
Baby.
Hey, chafure. Tajafura ulisa watu. Chiri pone papi ya.
Azo ya farama zwingo ya.
Emuna.
Imani datu very hello. Ayo rimzakazi nickname ya wewe
Naam, para. So, mtu Mr. MC ukadiva wone kantu.
Ufaro mutu. Anga kufunga ndukunye kwamba zvinhu zva business zvinhu zvera kwamba zvone and that's not what I want. Kanoneta, yes that he was snap they're probably sleeping.
Yeah. Wow, she won't.
Oh yeah, I'll be high. Papiruza mu phone era guys, roduni update next week. But then
yeah, next time the number na the phone number about afterwards. Kai nile next time. So Rich Kamagene Heritage, remember Fukare Kaya name is other one Kai because it's obviously one of his events.
The Marshal.
The Marshal. If we don't send it post the box, yeah.
I think Nando Ivona.
Yeah, the Marshal Nation presents October Festival, first annual music festival. Pende.
Tonga dzidobiesa. Ndizvo dzingana.
Ndizvo the 7th October 2023 this year. What abiding.
Ikuitwa ga Tendo Stadium ne?
Tendo Stadium. Theme is all black, so you need right already.
Ngwamburi It's okay, podcast wakorerwa batho. Totofelo ba mbanda.
Yeah, so all black party, and then
I feel like it's gonna be huge, eh?
Yeah, it's gonna be very huge.
And I
feel sorry for if you mean hapo Mlamboni. Heritage.
Ibo pia Mlamboni. Ngoto ruko dancehall. Let's wait and see how it's gonna do. Although I think it's gonna do pretty well.
So Oktoberfest music festival wait, why it's never so? It's not just a social multiracial lifestyle event, but offers meaningful engagement with a progressive audience that has a taste of celebrating cultural diversity. Ish.
VIP ni mononga the baby guy.
I don't care, mara if ndichiko afford and the renga. Tawana.
Nendaza afford that go here.
Ranato vana ka Black Couch.
What Black
Couch vadoya. Rai wana.
Rara barko shoota ningi.
Arisa ko shoota ariko to vona.
T.
Black Couch.
Already skip and the black with a Black Couch.
Nature white. And then this event is also a vehicle for social impact and economic recovery through the tourism towards Limpopo. Top for like what whenever one vision. This event outlines
no, but there you have guy 9. No, Marshal. It's the passion in you reading this thing. Come on phone, come on a statement, Shal.
Let me continue. This event outlines the perfect collaborative opportunity between local and national creatives, made possible by staging a memorable festival. Like national. Oh, you mentioned Borauti. What about national work la line up yangi? What about ne? Ningadiba wana, wangadibidzo wana tun. If me ya andika. You know, it was Njerere. Mandis. Yeah, bangadibidzo wana.
Yeah, and then right in Yadiba. I don't know why, because I saw Nadia there.
Line up and stall prices and more announcements coming soon, guys.
I trust them line up. I feel like they're going to. I feel like also they're going to correct her heritage.
I'm going to correct. I'm going to as well.
No, the Kwambori nga uri ho complainiwa. Banga see right at the same mistake.
Follow them Oktoberfest Instagram. Thank you, Marshal.
Yeah, hey, when people guys oh. Show me so you
oh, man.
And you know, I'm advertise na rini.
What equipment? I should do Marshal.
Marabanga zamanga equipment iti. Nerga shoot na news cafe.
I should call him actually.
For
passport Marshal.
No,
he's very much capable.
I feel like he would do it.
One a vision. According to what Mizo said. No, from what Mizo said, he has a vision. And the other vision is for the creatives. The vision as the creatives is a Venda, not
Mara, don't you think once you're sponsored, radio podcast busy, because even if you're a flopper, we can't say anything bad about him.
Well, I will.
You won't.
I will.
But then you camera
Kafun. No, abako ntantu. Abako pakabera video. But ko bache da renga. Wachanga che double zori. We don't have the money anymore.
Hey, also ish. Okay, yeah.
So what ndo utantu. Usponsor wanga equipment.
Sponsor wanga chere.
Ngobaji ya mrao.
Imagine day ya kondor mtoto ivisa ni peka bangani yao. It's easier urengerwa zvitu.
Ka badere can't take a lot. Simple as that. Teacher day uno ya guy. And then what else? Oh, in closing, cause chinga chipopera. There's that issue there in Dar es Salaam.
Ooh, yeah, that was sad. But okay, I didn't see anything though.
That guy learned some. That's how to zishkoite. Like and to find the shitomo board. This is a guy. That's good. And then yeah, back to that thing at TikTok. They want to go celebrate or graduate or even like I think I could compress a Sylvanian. I could cheat like it was so nice.
I just saw he's like a businessman.
Yeah, what was the Shisanya Makana? I'm not so sure. I never had seen an event.
Oh, Jonathan, can I order an event? Because you don't want to. But when you build a general about post comes from one event. Yeah. Hey, right guy exactly.
Statement of voucher Dar es Salaam. Cherries right there. Puna Maria. Do I have to say corner Puna Maria na gravel road?
I never know. Because usually grades are packed as gumangi in Tadara. I know what Dara Zigumantangi.
Social media is dangerous because in my mind I thought I was waiting to go to Dar es Salaam. Up until the statement.
5 minutes. I think could avoid the amount to arending you Kongwalori and Kovonam to Otrinchua Nino Trinchua Pandanga Zino. So in my head, ndiko humbulori mini kamsindi munango ni somewhere you know kana kamsi watu bakulwa ndiko tomo text because one time babo belia do bangana bangam texting guys, are you safe ntamelo to mpinduro ra ne safe ngamanda rdiro
na rifi
amango pachitu like they don't know bo zwipanga machelo ni bajivore oh something actually happened here. I'm like yo I
said lives are kwamba last time Venda is getting like
bad Venda ndi gomora guys.
Yeah,
you are not safe at all near yani like it's every day it just gets worse, man. It's stories after stories. Yeah. Hey, did the kidnapping? I want to visit our producer. Time up.
So, guys, just stay safe. Always make sure you never on. I do this because nigga send location. Nah, that's brother Pakola so next time, David.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in.
Oh, so yeah, in closing, yeah, ndanongwana zva mritoro zviamba it's fine and then yeah Malivongwe dropped mpaifuni wa producer uri kereke na zvinamba zvitangani and ruri try kuita zvote sengocommenta ibi and then yeah Makadzi dropped a movie. Makadzi is a ghost.
Mara riyambe nga Malivongwe is a banger.
Ikorwa. Credible Boys is dangerous.
Don't read that and
they're gonna tell us why they're not on the lineup. Maybe now when we talk quotation ya kum. So guys, bye. Our time is up here. So yeah, see you on the next one. Oh, we love you guys. Namsindu kamba zvitu.
Ni cute na musi.
Mashallah.
Irani ene ro pesi rarisa tukata.
Umpamanda mashallah.
Irani ene.
Mbo mashallah bampamanda. Mr. Producer, thank you very much for the extra time.